కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ అఫీషియల్ చెప్తా ఉంది, అఫీషియల్ పోస్ట్ చేస్తా ఉంది.
పహల్గామ్ ఎవరైతే మృతులు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ కుటుంబాలకు ఇప్పుడు ఆత్మకు శాంతి చేకూరిందంటారా లేకపోతే ఇంకేమైనా చేయాల్సి ఉంటుందా?
ఇది ఒక వ్యక్తితోనో 10 మందితో చేసేది కానీ ఈ దిస్ మెనేస్ హ్యాస్ టు బి కంప్లీట్లీ ఎలిమినేటెడ్. ఐ థింక్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బీ లైక్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఎ డెసిసివ్ యాక్షన్ లైక్ ఇజ్రాయల్. I think that's the only way on to counter terrorism, because there's no end to it. Constantly, if you keep on saying this is the only country for Hindus to live, and if you target within the in Bharat also targeting Hindus as based on religion, I think whether what we have to do.
సో ఆలైస్ అండ్ రఫాన్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏదైతే పహల్గామ్ అటాక్ జరిగిందో దాని మీద సెలబ్రిటీలు అనుకున్నంత స్థాయిలో స్పందించారు. అలాగే ఇప్పుడు ఆర్మీ అటాక్స్ మీద కూడా వాళ్ళు సెలబ్రిటీలు అందరూ బయటకు
Because the problem is celebrities don't run this nation. Let us be very clear. First of all, we give too much of attention to celebrities. Celebrities, okay, they are doing their job. They love their nation. It is actually, really we have to appreciate. That's it. But don't expect celebrities to run this nation. Celebrities don't run this nation. If anyone who is running this nation, it is proper political leaders who knows the nitty-gritties of the nation and who also length and breadth of the nation, who knows the each and every issue of this nation. They are the ones who are running this nation. So let us not give too much of too much of thought to celebrities. Don't expect anything out of them. They might do some kind of sound, but there's no point in talking about celebrities. That topic, I'll address it another day. I understand.
Civil defense services in Andhra. Civil defense services in Andhra. Because you just mentioned, we have a long coastline. We have the military establishments there, navy establishments there. Any meeting conducted there, and how is Andhra Pradesh going to ensure that civil defense services will
Because
be there
especially at this kind of war situation, the entire authority will be like whatever the rules, like the communication comes from the central government to the state chief secretary, and whatever they're doing as on now, I think the mock drills are going to happen, and battle preparedness will be there no matter which state.
ఆల్రెడీ వార్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
హైదరాబాద్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ